The installation of your new Sweepovac self-contained vacuum system can easily be completed in 30 minutes or less. A marking pen, drill, reciprocating saw, and a screwdriver are all the tools that are required to install your Sweepovac. The Sweepovac installs best in the side of an end cabinet. Kitchen islands also present the ideal location for installation. Always check dimensions to ensure the Sweepovac unit will fit. Trace the template in the selected location. Drill 2 holes in the top corners of the marked area. Use a reciprocating saw or jigsaw with suitable blade to make your cutout. Adjust the height of the foot at the rear of the Sweepovac so the unit will sit level in your opening. Plug in the supplied 10-foot electrical cord. Feed the cord through the cutout and insert the plug into an available outlet. Slide the unit into place. After removing the faceplate with the supplied Allen wrench, screw the unit to the cabinet with the 4 wood screws that were included with your Sweepovac. Reattach the faceplate using the Allen wrench and screws. Slide open the drawer and install the supplied filter at the rear of the drawer. Install a vacuum bag and slide the drawer back into the unit. Your Sweepovac is now ready to provide years of use. Using a dustpan can be a chore. Sweepovac makes it easy to keep your hard surface floor clean.